operations of illegal drugs. Recently, there were three Chinese detainees killed. Were they involved in illegal drugs?
So I do not know. I do not even know report that there are Chinese killed.
Okay, sir.
Has there been any investigation, sir?
Of course, where is it? There's only when a person dies or persons die, there has to be an investigation somewhere. Where is that? Yung ano?
What about the possible illegal drugs operations within the Dapicol, sir?
There is no drugs there. Penal colony. Sa munting lupa lang yun.
Okay, sir.
Baka nag-riot siguro. Walang ano diyan. Wala sa penal colony. Malayo 'yan. Walang operation sa drugs, operation but not emanating from there. One thing is sure, I can tell you now, there is no shabu being cooked in the penal colony.
Sir,
Davao,
The CIDG 11 claimed that there are drug transactions happening in Dapicol. CIDG
Well, gustong pumasok, pero yung nagsabi nagluluto,
daw po talaga.
no. Hardly. Wala ka. Paano man i-deliver saan man? It's not being manufactured here. Baka siguro gamit yung puslitan, pero that would not be enough really to cause a riot there somewhere. There has to be some other reason. But I'll ask the police there.
okay, sir. Going back to the left po, with the historical release of the Tiamson couple, when can we expect more political prisoners to be released? And kumusta na ba talaga yung relationship with the government and the left, considering
No.
na binawi nila yung support against illegal drugs?
Bakit? Nasali ba sila talaga noon rin?
Well,
I have not heard of any accomplishment carried out by the communists against the drug people. The closest that I can really link drugs is what happened in China before. When opium was sold to the Chinese population by the British, who had the exclusive franchise of. Whether it took many centuries to correct that because a lot of Chinese were also hooked into opium use, addiction. Itong sa, ano yun, Tiamson?
political prisoners po,
Si
when can we
Tiamson?
expect more po?
Ganito yan. Tama na muna yan. I released 20. Now, if you think that I will release all prisoners in PAs already in custody, di wag na lang tayong mag-usap kasi release naman sila. Ano pa ang baraha ko? Wala na. O di, peace na lang. Total, na-release naman kayo. Yung mga ang gusto ninyo. So what is there to talk about? The only thing is that when is the time of surrender? Do you want this republic to surrender to them? Or the NPA is the communists surrendering to us? No, I will not release yung key personalities, like the Tiamson. Yun ang nagdadala. They are really the ones there.
Sir, everybody's asking, can you see an away-bati relationship between the left and the government? Kasi parang ganun yung nangyayari.
Left and
And the government, and you, and your administration, parang away-bati relationship yung medyo
Okay ba?
nagaganap.
marami man akong sundalo. Ano pa problema nyo? May aeroplano ako, may Navy ako, Air Force, may police pa ako. No. I'm really very comfortable with the left. And are you here in Davao or Manila?
I'm from PTV po. I'm Lala Babylonia from PTV. I replaced the other.
You're now based in Davao.
No po, for 15 days lang, rotation.
Well, because if you're a Davao journalist, you would know that I go in and out of. I usually bring the communists would always invite people from media to witness the turnover of a captive soldier or whatever. I just want to be there to talk to them. The last time that we had really a confrontation, it was a shouting match many years ago. But Inday, the mayor had hers also one time. Comfortably ako. We're not really I said, I am a left center ako. I believe in the aspects of socialism. The problem with this NPAs is they are socialists by spirit. But the problem is they organized a party, the Communist Party of the Philippines, with only one objective, to seize power by armed struggle. That is not acceptable to me at all. I told them that there was this party that they were trying to organize right after Aquino won the presidency. And it was called the Partido ng Bayan. Well, I and Bebot Belio went there to join because we said we believe our philosophy, ideological lines run along that line. Socialism but when I noticed that the hardcore were coming in, I told Belio na we better get out. It's not what I really wanted for my country. So, hindi talaga ako pwede dyan sa ano. But we are comfortable with each other because when we talk, we share the same passion. Land reform, lifting the, contractualization, all of these things. It's despicable to me to be changing. Sabi nila, the only justification is, marami itong trabaho because another set of, wag na lang kasi I do not want to, stupid theory. There was no security of tenure for Filipinos. We spend millions to train them sa TESDA. And when you find job for the first time as a carpenter, the next job he would get is an electrician. So when he was programmed to be an electrician, he ends up being a driver. So he does not acquire the expertise that he was trained for at the expense of government. And then even you go out of the Philippines, there's always it's 2 years experience. So,
Mayor, last lang. Point of clarification. Secretary De Rosa just announced the restoration of unilateral ceasefire.
yes, sa August 21.
So ngayon, 21 Mayor.
Kaya di niya kanina, kahapon pa yan.
So restored siya, sir.
That statement was given yesterday. Ba't August 21 na ba kahapon? Ito.
It will take effect on 21 according to the statement. 12 midnight po.
Kanina.
As of now, effective na
I
siya.
have to talk to the armed forces and the police.
Sir, sorry, my
Sila yung namamatay, sila yung nagipag-away, tapos hindi mo bigyan ng importansya. Yes.
Sir, just to follow up again on the phone calls, can you just at least please describe the conversation, sir? That
No.
transpired.
Of course not.
Sir,
I only listened to it once, and but what I mostly heard were lovers talk. I am sure you would not be interested to hear it.
Sir,
Because chismosa ka talaga pagka ganun.
sir, I just have a quick question, sir. On the Napoles case that you would like to have,
To
yeah.
revisit?
No, sir. To have a second look on it, sir.
Oh,
How do you
revisit, I
plan
said.
to start it, sir? Thank you.
What again?
Yung Napoles case, sir.
Yes.
You plan to have a second look on
Yes,
it?
I
How do you
said
plan
let us revisit. Maybe I'll have something for the Filipino too. Kasi alam mo, ang hinahabol natin ito, graft and corruption. I thought we were agreed when you voted for me. I know you voted for me. Because lang. I know you voted for me. And our deal is that we have stopped corruption, drugs, and criminality. So it is just maybe